Thank you. Aren't you sweet?
Just share with the ladies. Sure. I got so drunk.
How drunk did you get?
Right now I'm standing here and I don't even know where the hell I am except to say Happy New Year!
I didn't get drunk, and I just brushed my teeth with Bemo on the way in. That was not cool. Got it just in time. Daddy's stripping already. Yeah, you paid more to watch that.
$20 dog. Sometimes we're ornery. We're always too loud. Another South Texas parolee looking for a handout. That's a little warm-up number for you.
I love the... There's nobody sitting here.
Let's go, baby.
I'm somebody.
No, I'm saying here. You are somebody. You're somebody. You're somebody. Cheers, somebody.
She's rap.
I believe fingertips. Sometimes the blues feels alone. Sometimes the blues just rolls off his fingertips. Sometimes the blues feels alone. Sometimes the blues just rolls off his fingertips. Sometimes the blues feels alone. Sometimes the blues just rolls off his fingertips. Come on, roll that blues off my fingertips. To ride around with the boys who play past two. And she said she'd love to have some fun if you tell her what to do. What to do. But that ain't cool. I'll tell you something for the out time. If you think you could stand the trend, but you know you're affected, boy, if they're calling her your friend. She's your friend. She's your friend. I think you got it. I think you got it. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, with $20 dog.
Dave, we're going to watch traffic.
Another on me, D minor.
D minor. Have a couple coffee on it. Rain for some nasty
Have
hair.
a couple of dogs and watch traffic.
I got. down. That's right, face down. In the carpet.